Every gardener wants a green lawn, bountiful garden, and an abundance of blooming flowers. The key is proper watering. The best time to water is first thing in the morning. The Sunrise once-a-day water timer will water your plants every day automatically, with absolutely no programming. Setup is easy. Just attach Sunrise to an outside faucet. Then simply select how long you want to water. Sunrise will handle the rest. Using your sprinkler, soaker hose, or drip irrigation system. Every morning when the sun comes up, the water turns on. It's that easy. Wake up to a beautiful yard you can be proud of all season long with Sunrise, the once-a-day water timer from Melnor.